Have you ever wondered what lies beyond our azure skies? What secrets does the red planet Mars hold? Today, we delve into the riveting chronicle of the Maggie mission to Mars, a journey that not only pushed the boundaries of human ingenuity, but also transcended cultural and gender barriers. Initiated by NASA, the Maggie mission embarked on its ambitious journey towards Mars in the spring of 2024. The primary aim was to explore the Martian terrain, its geological structure, and to search for traces of ancient microbial life. An endeavor that would not only answer some of our deepest questions about the cosmos, but also pave the way for future manned missions. The backbone of the Maggie mission is an international team of brilliant minds. Among them, a young Muslim woman named Nida, who has played a pivotal role in the mission. Hailing from Pakistan, Nida has become an emblem of inspiration for many around the globe. Her expertise in astrophysics and unwavering commitment to the mission has been instrumental in its success. The team of scientists worked tirelessly, each contributing their unique skills and knowledge. Their collective effort, combined with cutting-edge technology, made the Maggie mission a reality. This, however, did not come without a substantial price tag. The cost of the project ran into several $billions, a hefty sum, but a necessary investment in the pursuit of knowledge and exploration. The timescale of the mission was extensive. From concept to launch, it took several years of planning, testing, and preparation. Even after reaching Mars, the mission is far from over. The data collected will take years to analyze and comprehend completely. Yet every second spent, every dollar invested is a step closer to unraveling the mysteries of our universe. In summary, the Maggie mission to Mars is a monumental step in space exploration. Initiated by NASA, the mission aimed to explore the Martian terrain and search for signs of ancient life. The international team of scientists, including the inspiring Muslim astrophysicist Nida, worked tirelessly on this multi-billion-dollar project. Despite the time and financial investment, the mission continues to yield valuable data, bringing us one step closer to understanding the vast cosmos we inhabit. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles, or in this case millions of miles, begins with a single step, or perhaps a single launch into the unknown.